how are you today?
Monday. Alhamdulillah. What have you done?
I am also fine. Thank you, my dear. Today, which day?
Friday.
Yesterday, Monday. Today, which day?
Friday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good, Ashika. Today, which day? Today, which day? Tuesday. We are studying which surah? Mazin Shakir. We are studying which surah? Which surah we are? Very good. Suratul. How many ayahs surah Kafirun? 6 ayah. So the Kafirun Makki or Madani? We are ready to listening? Okay. Put your hands on your thigh. Then close your eyes.